Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aarti and today I'm going to do a H&M haul. So I've recently ordered a lot of things from H&M, and just a disclaimer, if you're someone who is looking for very interesting kind of prints and different kind of silhouettes in this video, then this is not the video for you because I ordered everything very basic and with in solid colors and everything. So all that said and done, let's get into it. So for the very first item, I have this orange top, and when I saw this मुझे लगा कि बच्चों वाला टॉप है, बट व्हेन आई वोर इट आई लाइक्ड इट क्योंकि इसका ये शोल्डर जो है इट्स वेरी ब्रॉड, तो ये अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि ये रफल्स सीधा यहाँ पे नहीं आते हैं इस तरह से, बट ये ऐसे रहते हैं तो इट लुक्स क्यूट. बट द थिंग इज दैट फॉर द प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज, originally it was for 7.99, okay, and I got it for 3.99 rupees. It's a see-through top. That's one concern. And then iska jo armhole hai, it's really big for me, so it is going to need some alterations. And I think for the price, I'm not willing to take so much mehnat on this one piece, jaake alteration karao and all of that stuff. So I think I will return this, and out of 10 I will give it a 6, I guess, because it's not really a great piece, but it's a good find. You know, you can wear it at home to chill and all. उसके लिए अच्छा है. बाहर पहनना है तो you need to wear some jacket or something on top of this, तब ये comfortable होगा. वरना you need to get the alterations done for this armhole, and then see through होगा तो उसके लिए you need to make some जुगाड़ and all of that. So it's a lot of work, but it's a cute one still. Next up, we have this polo t-shirt. And I fell in love with this one. It's so cute. The fit is very cute. The color is to die for. But the problem with this one is that it's see-through. It's completely see-through. Because I have ordered it to my size, तो ये एकदम अच्छे से snug fit बैठता है और फिर ये सी थ्रू हो जाता है जैसे ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेच हो जाता है. तो दैट्स द डाउन साइड. अगर इसको भी पहनना है तो यू नीड टू वेयर इट विद अ जैकेट और समथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑन इट्स ओन नहीं पहन सकते जबकि इसको इतनी क्यूट सी कॉलर है. एंड देन द कलर इटसेल्फ इज वेरी क्यूट. आई गिव इट अ 6 out of 10 because of the see-throughness. वरना ये a solid 9 था मेरे लिए because I loved it. The fabric is so comfortable, so nice, cotton, and then there whatever this fabric is and the ribbed thing going on, I love it. I loved it. But the fact that it's so see-through कि मैं इसको on its own पहन ही नहीं सकती हूँ कभी भी. Next up, I have this top. It's a cute top, very cute, small, very lightweight. Again, that ribbed fabric, but thoda sa see-through. But I think because of its color, ये ज़्यादा अजीब नहीं दिखता है. थोड़ा dark color है इसकी वजह से. And I got it for 1.99, so it's a good deal. I'm keeping this, and it's a 6 out of 10 क्योंकि इतना भी अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं है. थोड़ा मोटा फैब्रिक होता ना तो ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग भी होता. एकदम ही 4 महीने में खराब हो जाएगा ऐसा नहीं होता. Again, I have a t-shirt. As I said, everything basic. This is the most basic thing that you can find. मेरे पास इतने सारे black t-shirts है, but I just can't get enough of these t-shirts. Again, this was originally for 7.99 rupees, but I got it for like 2.99 rupees or something like that. Fabric थोड़ा सा अलग है. It's not that usual jersey fabric. It's a plasticky soft fabric. It's not cottony soft. It's a plasticky soft kind of a fabric. So फिर भी इसको I will give it a 7 out of 10 क्योंकि अच्छा सी थ्रू तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बहुत सॉलिड मटेरियल है और इसको अच्छे से मैं पहन पाऊंगी काफी लंबे टाइम के लिए. लाइक साल 1.5-2 साल तो पक्का चलेगा. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द नेक लाइन एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स अ वेरी यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट फॉर मी. एटलीस्ट fits very nice. Fits like a glove. Of course, I'll be putting my try on here somewhere. It's a nice one. If you find it, buy it. This is an interesting one for me. This is again that racer back top, जो कि अजीब से प्लास्टिक की रिब्ड मटेरियल में है. आई डोंट इवन नो कि ये क्या मटेरियल है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड प्रॉपरली. ये थोड़ा स्पोर्टी फील देता है, विच इज़ आई एम नॉट अ फैन ऑफ दिस फैब्रिक बिकॉज मुझे पता है मैं बिल्कुल कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहने वाली हूँ इसमें अगर गर्मी का सीजन है या फिर इवन इन नॉर्मल डेज ऑल्सो. यहाँ हमेशा ही गर्मी लगती है ना। आई कैन नॉट वेयर एनीथिंग अदर देन लिनन, कॉटन, जर्सी मटेरियल और समथिंग दैट इज ब्रीदेबल। और ये मुझे उतना ब्रीदेबल नहीं लग रहा है, ये खुला खुला है बहुत, बट स्टिल इट्स नॉट दैट कंफर्टेबल। और ऊपर से देयर इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन एज टू व्हाट टू वेयर अंडरनीथ दिस, क्योंकि आगे लाइंस दिखते हैं एंड देन द शेप शोज अप। That's a weird thing for me, and I like my tops to be very seamless. This is not the one for me, but still I'm thinking कि exercise वगैरह करने के लिए रख सकते हैं if you're someone who is comfortable with this kind of fabric or doesn't mind showing their straps और sports bra भी दिख जाए तो कोई problem नहीं, वैसा है तो you can definitely keep it and order it of course. But I'm like thinking again, I'm on the fence about this one. I might not keep it. I'll give it a 5 out of 10 because the fabric is very interesting and I'm not liking it. It's not likable. Okay, and basic बोलते बोलते हम एकदम झगमग कुछ लेके आ गए हैं. This is not something that I ever wear और मैं बिलीव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ ऑर्डर किया है. It's a full sleeve sequin body suit and I never wear something like this. इसकी neckline is like this. यहाँ पे एक हुक दिया हुआ है. So if you don't like deep necks and all of that, तो इसको पहन सकते हो. And if you remove it, then it's like this. So fabric अच्छा है. हमेशा की तरह जैसे सीक्वेंड कपड़े होते हैं, अंदर से लाइंड है. इट्स नॉट द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल वन. अगर गर्मी में जा रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली गर्मी होगी बिकॉज अंदर का मटेरियल इज लाइक दिस, नॉट द कॉटन मटेरियल बट समथिंग like polyester kind of a thing, which is okay. कभी स्पेशल ओकेजन्स में पहन रहे हो तो उतना तो एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. इट वॉज फॉर 699 rupees. Originally it was for 1799 and I got it for 699 rupees. So I think it's a good steal deal. It's a steal deal and I'll keep it. Let's see if I ever get to wear it or if I ever feel like wearing it. I think that is it for this package. Let's get into the bigger package. It's very heavy. And let's see what we have here. For very first thing, I'm getting this one. This is a bralette. It's a satin bralette back. कुछ ऐसा है, थोड़ा mesh fabric है यहाँ पे. And then इसके hooks यहाँ पे आगे के side दिए गए हैं. And I like it. It's really cute. So mostly because I wear everything very basic and all. So I thought ये इस बेसिक टी शर्ट्स के ऊपर स्टाइल करने के लिए कितना क्यूट होगा. इफ आई वेयर हाई नेक और अ पोलो नेक टी शर्ट एंड देन उसके ऊपर आई वेयर दिस वन विद अ नाइस ट्राउजर और समथिंग लाइक दैट, which is why I ordered this one. And it was for rupees 599. Originally it was for I don't know how much, but I got it for very pretty less. Then we have these shorts. These are very cute. It's a different fabric. It was originally for 799 rupees, but I got it for 399 rupees. And I think it's a steal deal. It's a very nice and thick material. It's a bit see-through अगर एकदम ही ज़्यादा उसको stretch करते हैं तो, but I don't think आप घर पे पहनोगे. So I don't mind it because it's a very nice fabric and the style and this texture looks very, very nice, which is why I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Next up, I have, these are also shorts and I have two in the similar style, just the colors are different. तो ये एक sage green kind of color है and originally ये 799 rupees के थे. You can wear this as like this or you can fold the top और ऐसे भी पहन सकते हैं. मॉडल ने कुछ ऐसे ही पहना हुआ था. So I like it. ये वही basic jersey material है जो H&M का होता है. So I got it for 199 rupees और मुझे लगता है बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी है and for a 200 rupees product. Very nice fabric material, बहुत comfortable, बहुत breathable because I know jersey material is very, very nice to wear घर में भी, बाहर भी, सोते हुए भी. It's a very nice fabric. So I'll give it a 8 out of 10. We again have two similar products or same items in different color. This is the second one. It's a dark one and light colored one. Originally, this was for 14.99, and I think this color I got for rupees 3.99, and this was for 6.99. But I thought I would like this one more, but surprisingly, I like this one more. Very wide around the thighs. That makes it very comfortable. बहुत comfortable होगा घर पे पहनने के लिए, एकदम आराम से बैठ सकते हो ऐसा. Not tight or anything. बाहर पहनने के लिए I don't prefer low rise or mid rise clothes. So बाहर I might not wear it, but still it's a cute find. I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Next I have white Bermuda shorts. So I like this one so much, but in pictures, not in real. ये अच्छे से fit नहीं होता है. It's a mid rise shorts, so doesn't fit me that well. एक size बड़ा भी हो गया है मुझसे. I'm not liking the fit of it, so I'm going to return it. It was originally for 12.99 rupees and I got it for 4.99, but I'm going to return it. I'll give it a 8 out of 10 again. If you're someone who likes wearing mid-rise or low-rise shorts, then you can totally go for it. I'm just not into it. Then I have this crocheted skirt, and H&M has a lot of quad sets of this kind, and I am liking this so much, but I don't think I'll wear it anywhere really, because the skirt is again mid-rise or low-rise. I don't like wearing anything mid-rise skirts, especially because it doesn't flatter my body that well, and then fabric bhi is not the best. I don't know, I'm not liking the fit. उसके वजह से मैं बोल रही हूँ, but बाकी सब ठीक है. I'll be returning this. I got it for 2.99 rupees. I got it for 2.99 rupees, and originally it's for 12.99. So it was a steal deal, but still I'm not keeping it because I have to again order the same top for this one and then make a set out of it and do all those things. So just not in mood. This might be the most favorite thing of all the things that I have shown you in this haul. This is a linen dress, and it's so cute. The print is so pretty. It's very nice quality because H&M's linen fabric clothes are very nice. I love this one so much, but the thing is that this silhouette doesn't flatter me. So these bell sleeves are cute, but the bust area is like this. So यहाँ पे ये tight होता है और फिर बाकी जाके flare आता है. यही से वो flare आता है from under your bust. So ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है. It's not that flattering on my body type, which is why I'm going to return it. But because of the fabric, I'll give it a 10 out of 10, because if it would have not been this silhouette and something else, I would have kept it. I don't have any other option. I have to return it. It doesn't flatter me that much. I have this trouser. Again, it's a different find. And I know I said मैं ज़्यादा print नहीं पहनती हूँ, but इस बार मैंने थोड़ा सा print order करने का try किया है. This trouser looks very beachy to me. Very comfortable, very nice fabric it has. And बहुत अच्छी डिस्काउंट पे मिली है एक्चुअली. इसकी ओरिजिनल प्राइस है 18.99 and I got it for rupees 4.99. So it was a steal deal and I couldn't resist. And it has pockets too, so that's a plus. I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because there's nothing to complain about this one. And the best thing of this haul is this. This is a crocheted dress. And wait till you see the back of it. It's a beach cover-up kind of thing. But I love it so much. It looks so pretty. Very cute on me. The fit is really beautiful. The sleeves are really beautiful. Long sleeves it has. And the length of this dress is around ankle. Overall, I love this dress a lot. It's a very heavyweight dress, if you can see. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 again because this is a crochet dress and I got it for just for rupees 5.99, whereas originally it was for 22.99. So that's a steal deal, I would say. And then a random thing, again one more shawl. ये इतनी बड़ी है कि इसमें मैं 4 बार आ जाऊंगी, तो I didn't even want to show you all. मैं flow में मैंने इसको order कर लिया, but it's too big for me. Fabric के हिसाब से it's a very nice shorts, very good fabric, very good quality, very comfortable, very soft. So I will give it a 10 out of 10 because of the fabric and comfort level, and I'll definitely be looking for a smaller piece in this and I'll definitely order it again. It's a very nice find. And to your surprise, we are not just doing a clothing haul, we are also diving into home section, H&M home section. So I saw these spoons which were on sale, and I got these spoons. 4 spoons are there for 199 rupees, and these are very cute. I liked it so much that I had to order 2 sets, and I'm going to keep these for sure. I love the way these spoons look, and it's very heavyweight. For the size, it's a heavyweight. Totally recommended. 10 out of 10 quality. And with that, we have come towards the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, drop a comment, follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you would like to, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.